I'm Mark with PVC Fittings Online. Today we're going to make a PVC outdoor antenna stand. You'll need 3 PVC tees, 4 45-degree PVC elbows, 4 PVC end caps, 1 18-inch long PVC pipe, 2 12-inch long PVC pipes, 8 6-inch long PVC pipes. Take a 45-degree elbow, insert a 6-inch length of pipe in one end and another 6-inch length of pipe in the other end, and add a PVC end cap for a footing. Repeat this 3 more times. Take one of the legs and insert the leg into the left or right side opening of one tee. Insert another leg into the opposite side of the tee. Keep the center outlet open. Repeat this step one more time. Take each of the 12-inch long pieces of pipe and insert into the open ends of the tee connecting the legs. Take the remaining tee and insert each open end of the 12-inch piece of pipe to the left and right sockets of the tee so that the center socket points up. On the open socket of the center tee, insert the 18-inch long pipe. Now you're ready to attach your outdoor antenna. The low and long antenna stand can be made permanent using primer and solvent cement. You may only want to cement certain connections so that you can assemble and disassemble as needed.